If you've been outside today, you've likely noticed that sweet relief from the humidity has arrived to begin August. The refreshing feeling is particularly nice after so much muggy air in July. Here with our July recap is meteorologist Nathan Gidley.
That's right, Nicholas. It felt like the humidity was miserable all July long. We were up in the tropical and oppressive category so much. Just take a look at this stat that I uncovered. From 4 p.m. July 24th all the way until 1 a.m. July 29th, we were up in those tropical and oppressive categories. 106 hours total. That's the longest number of hours in a row with tropical or higher humidity in July and the 5th longest ever across all the months of the year. So it just felt like we were sweating all month long. If you look at our average dew point temperature, we rank number 2 here on the list for most humid Julys. Weather records for this stat dating back to 1900. Remember, the dew point is the temp at which the air becomes saturated. So the higher the dew point, the more moisture the atmosphere can hold. So when you see this number being so high, that means it was quite uncomfortable all throughout the month. As you can see on our July temperature counter, we ended up 2.7 degrees above average, with the hottest being 95 degrees on the 24th. Still the hottest temperature of the year so far. It was the 18th warmest July in Fort Wayne's history. This year we had 9 days at 90 degrees or higher in July, above our average, but still far behind our record of 22 set back in 2011. A change, though, compared to no 90-degree days at all last year. In the precipitation department, believe it or not, at the Fort Wayne International Airport, we were below average. We had the 25th driest July in Fort Wayne's history. Only 2 days we saw over ½ an inch of daily rainfall. You know, here's an example for Fort Wayne. Look at this low rainfall total for July 30th. Compare that to Harlan, 4.15 inches of rain. Just goes to show the sporadic nature of those pop-up showers and storms. Coming up at 6, we'll have a preview of August, and you can look back on some of the flooding that occurred in parts of the area in July right now on WANE.com. Meteorologist Nathan Gidley, WANE 15 News.